So I got early access to Ali Abdaal's new plugin for DaVinci Resolve. Let's check out if this really going to boost our productivity in editing. So after launching the plugin, the first thing we see is the silence remover. So let's check it out. So here we get two options, basic and advanced. Let's select advanced and hit go. From here we can define a threshold, and at the bottom if we extend this we can see the parts it will be cutting off. And here we get all the timestamps. If we click on it, it will show us in the timeline which portion are going to be cut off. Now if we click go, it will cut off all those silence portion, and it did a good job. But if you are using Resolve's latest version, you get this silence remover where you can define the threshold, and you can see this section will be cut off, and when you click remove, it instantly removes those parts. But this Firecut plugin is also available for Premiere Pro. And there I saw a very useful feature. Yes, this feature, remove filler words. So this will remove all the type of words, and it would be great to have that in Resolve. So yeah, let's check out the other options. Let's try this add zooms. So from here you can change length and how much you want to zoom in, and also ease in. So let's try this one. Okay, so it has added 6 zooms, and it doesn't seems like it's good for my type of video. It's probably better for talking head video, so I can't really judge this one. Ooh, this one looks interesting. Find b-rolls. Let me add a voiceover. So here I'm talking about dogs and cats, so let's see if it can find some b-rolls. So it will grab the clips from Storyblocks, Pixels or Pixabay. Let's try Storyblocks. Okay, so it has created this folder and it has grabbed some b-rolls of dogs and cats. But why did I got this error? Never mind. Let's try Pixels this time. And we got some dog, cat, and this. Why did I get this gaming? Did I talk about gaming? Oh, wait a minute. It has placed all those footages. Did it place it in the right place? Okay, so my favorite animal is a dog. I also like cats. Oh, it has. And playing a dog. Oh, this is why it grabbed the gaming footage, because I said playing. You know, this is very useful feature. Like if you edit like automation type of videos, this is very useful feature, especially for me because I hate looking for b-roll. Okay, so what we have here, it has identified the object. Okay, it gave me more option. What if I click on this? Will it change it? Okay, it seems like it has changed it from the timeline. This is probably the best feature of this plugin. I really like this one. Okay, let's see this multitrack. Probably need multiple speaker to test. Okay, so what these chapters do? Okay, so it gave me 3 titles, description and all the SEO stuff. Oh, it also gave me one for long form and one for short form content. Okay, let's try adding some caption. First we need to transcribe. Let's hit transcribe. Okay, we need to first mark some in and out point, then hit transcribe. Here we got lots of presets, a lot of popular ones. Let's try this one. Okay, here's an example of these captions. Looks like the transcription is better than DaVinci Resolve inbuilt transcription, and it's very easy to use. So yeah, that was the whole plugin. And they said they are working on more features like this, so it's definitely worth it getting this plugin. I would say the find b-roll feature is more than enough for me to get the plugin. If you are planning to get the plugin, you can use my coupon code LMX10 to get 10% off on your checkout. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.